If you or a loved one have been injured in a dog bite incident or dog attack, particularly here in Mississippi, but a lot of what we're talking about is going to apply anywhere, there's a few things that you should think about first and foremost. And I want to talk about, what are the things that you should do if you're in that situation and been a victim of those types of circumstances. So if you or a loved one have been bitten by a dog or God forbid, been involved in a more serious dog attack, the first thing to do is get the medical attention that you need. Everything else can wait. But first and foremost, get the medical attention that you need because we want you to get better. They're frequently in dog attacks. The injuries are a lot more than a little snippet on the ankle. We have seen situations where people have been attacked to literally within an inch of their life. We've seen horrible disfigurement. We have seen situations where people die. And it happens more often than we like to admit. But these can be very serious, catastrophic injury, even death type situations when vulnerable people or children are viciously attacked by dogs. So get the medical help that is needed first and foremost, and continue that medical treatment until the doctors say otherwise. Because first and foremost, we want people's health to be protected. The medical treatment and the ongoing treatment as doctors direct is also important from a legal standpoint because it helps create that record of the injury and what the victim is dealing with. So from a legal standpoint, eventually we would go back to those records, to be able to show the extent of the injury and what the prognosis is for the future, and developing a plan where there's going to be ongoing treatment in the future of what that plan of care is going to look like. So get the medical treatment you need, get the ongoing treatment as doctors recommend. But then at some point, invariably, if the dog owner is responsible for these attacks, and they usually are, attention is going to turn toward the legal claim. And the first thing to keep in mind of in a dog bite case, or really any personal injury case, when you start thinking about the legal aspects, is that there are very strict time limits for bringing a claim. When we talk about personal injury claims, and dog bites would fall into that, most states have a strict, spelled out time period for when the claim can be brought. Here in Mississippi, our general statute of limitations, as it's called, is 3 years. Most dog bite, dog attack claims fall within that 3-year statute. That time period can be affected by other circumstances. The easiest example I can give is when children are involved. Sometimes we can get that extended because of the minor. But the important thing to understand is that you don't want to toy around with that time limit. Because if a claim is not brought within the statutory time period for bringing a claim or filing a lawsuit, then you forever lose that claim. You will not get paid, you're not able to bring the claim, you're not able to resuscitate it. The claim will be forever barred. So those time limits are very strict. They're very harsh if you miss them. So you don't want to do that. And so don't wait on bringing your claim. The third thing that is really important is that when you do start thinking about the legal aspects and pursuing a claim against the at-fault party, it is really important that you have legal representation helping you. I can tell you from experience with multiple dog bite and dog attack cases over the course of my career, some of them involving relatively minor injuries, others involving very extensive severe injuries, and what we would call big cases. These types of cases are unique, and the way that you pursue a dog bite or dog attack case is different than the way you pursue a car wreck or some other, like a slip and fall or a medical malpractice case. It is its own unique type of claim, and you really need not just legal representation, but legal representation that handles personal injury claims on a regular basis, representation that has some experience and a track record of success with these particular types of cases. Because there's a number of aspects to a dog bite case or dog attack case that is just different in how you approach it, from the type of evidence that you're looking for, to the type of experts involved, to other legal considerations. So looking for an attorney to represent you that has a track record and experience with those types of cases is very important. And particularly in a dog bite case versus other types of cases, it's all the more important that you just don't talk to the insurance company for the other party or try to deal with the adjusters on your own. That's a recipe for real problems for yourself. So with all of that, just kind of summing it up, if you or a loved one are involved in a situation where you've been the victim of a dog bite or dog attack, get the medical help you need. When you start turning to the legal aspects, absolutely get you legal representation. Make sure that you're getting legal representation that has some experience and a track record of success, not just in litigation of personal injury claims, but in litigation of dog bite and dog attack claims. And do not try to talk to that adjuster for the other party or the insurance company on your own. So if you'll think about those things, it'll get you on the right track of getting compensated and treated fairly on your claim. I'm Brad Morris with Brad Morris Law Firm PLLC, and if you've been the victim of a dog bite or dog attack injury or any other type of personal injury, we're here to help. Reach out to us through our website or give us a call, and we'll try to get you pointed in the right direction and get you the help you need. Thank you.